Hi everybody, I'm Monty. Okay, and this is SPV Math Geometry with Monty. And the very first thing is the greatest week of the year for mathematicians, Pi Day. So I got my biker version of my Pi Day shirt on. We have other versions of pi, right? If we have 3.14 and we look at the reflection, it says pi, kind of cool. Alright, so let's get started. Not all the video tutorials at the beginning of the week are going to be this long, but we got a lot to talk about and we still got some glitches. Okay, so thanks for joining last week. I met a bunch of you, some of you emailed. Here we go. The first thing is we have an SPV Math with Monty team. That's for all of us, and we have over 30 online math students. So geometry is such a large group of students that we created our own team, Geometry B SPV with Monty. So we're going to click there. Here's where you can find some of these videos. Cool. So this week, Geometry B. First of all, it's Pi Week. Enjoy the week. Try to have some fun with math. Can you log into Clever? Blackboard. Oop, got to tweak that. That's going to say geometry here in a second. Oh gosh, way to go, Monty. So let's just tweak this, right? Geometry B. Alright. Can you find Math Excel? There's a glitch there, and use your new login codes. Watch this video tutorial and get started with Math Excel. We're going to be on Module 3, Topic 2, Lesson 1. Not the best place to get started in this new virtual world, but we've been doing it for a year, so we're just going to make it happen. We're only responsible for one assignment, and you'll see why. Let's make sure we enjoy the math. It can be confusing, especially in the online world, because not all of us have used this Math Excel before. And the first couple of weeks, we want to make sure that we can get in there, that we have some sort of device to use in order to, as a calculator, right? And let's see if we can smile. All right? We're here to enjoy ourselves, and math can be enjoyable. All right. So this video, you can find these videos in our stream channel. Okay? It's going to be posted here in a minute. Boom. All right. So here we go. I'm assuming everybody can find the internet. Everybody can find Clever. Everybody can log into Blackboard. Once you're to Blackboard, okay, let's skip that one. Let's go to Blackboard. Happy Sunday. Okay, once we get to Blackboard, we want to find our classes. And for those of you that haven't done Blackboard before, it takes a while to find all your classes. And depending on how many times you've had schedule changes and how many classes you've been in, it may not be on the front page. You might have to scroll around to find it. Once you find Geometry B with Montecucco, I would bookmark it. That's just me. Also, if you're an older student and you have lots of classes, sometimes it's easier to click Current Class Semester 2. All right. So we're scrolling down, we're scrolling down, we're scrolling down. Boom. Okay. Now, we have a glitch. Actually, this class has two glitches. Easy Bridge, broken. Downtown is working on it. Scientific Calculator, broken. They're not going to fix this one. Too difficult right now. Item 3. I want you to see that coursework, as soon as you click on coursework, this is where the extra videos are located. So everybody click there. We are here. Here's our week. We're starting Module 2. We're starting Lesson 1. Not down here, not up here. Click. Now, similarity, we're done. Whoop, I was supposed to say we're done. Let's just do that. Moved on. We have moved on. Okay, We've moved on, so don't go there. Okay? So we're going to go to trigonometry. As a matter of fact, we'll just make that unavailable. You won't see it. Trigonometry. Now we are here. Just click. Here are all the video tutorials we need for this week. And this week we're going to focus on the 45, 45, 90 and the 30, 60, 90. Okay? And depending on who your teacher was, I love these props, right? We got this triangle and we see it as a 30, 60, 90. We're going to learn about that. And then we all know what a square looks like, right? But when we cut it in half, it's a 45, 45, 90. We're going to learn about that. You'll notice every time we watch a video, these are the extras, it says click on Easy Bridge. No, 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 no. It's broken. So, announcements. Under announcements, first of all, enjoy Pi Day. 2 days a week, we do math. Okay? 20 minutes outside of class every time. The login, Math Excel, use your login codes. Your login is your email, and then the password for the whole class is Math2020 with a capital M. Extra video tutorials are found here in coursework. So, the Easy Bridge icon is broken. Please use this link. Boom. Poof. It goes right to it. Type in your email address. Oh! If this happens to you, watch how easy it is to fix the pop-up blocker. This is a great video because that happened, right? So, click, 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 back arrow. Actually, you know what? Let's just get rid of it. Let's start over. Boom. Always close that web browser and start over. Classes, because your computer will remember that you are allowing Math Excel. Okay, so now Easy Bridge is broken. Click on the link. Enter your email address. Okay, teacher email address. Math2020, your email address, okay? So we'll get rid of this one, and we'll get rid of this one, and this guy. Okay, so we're going to log in. Now mine looks a little different because I'm the teacher, okay? And I don't want to hit the wrong button here, so we're going to shrink this down just a little bit. All right, here's the teacher part. Here's where you are. Homework and tests. Here's the assignments. Now I opened everything because our goal is to expose all of you to trigonometry. Okay? We don't have to be great at it. We have to be able to navigate it and experience it. Not the best spot for us to start this class, but since we're there, let's just do it. As soon as you get here to homework and test, just click on the first assignment. Boom. Click on the first problem. Boom. Now you're going to go, Monty, I don't think we learned this. I'll be posting some video tutorials. Notice 45, 45, 90. Wait a minute. Monty just showed us that. Monty just showed us that. It was under coursework, investigate, trigonometry, lesson 1, and there it is, the 45, 45, 90. There's an extra video, but watch this. Question help, help me solve, view an example, a video. This calculator is worthless, okay? It doesn't meet the needs of this class. Well, then what am I going to do? This entire class, if you just go down into the space bar and click Calculator App, this calculator in the standard form is not going to help us, okay? Not all the time, once in a while. Scientific. This will have everything we need for the entire rest of the year. We are in trigonometry, we're in geometry. Okay, so here's our SOHCAHTOA. Okay, all right, now we have this calculator. If you choose to use this calculator, right click, pin to taskbar. Okay, if you have your own graphing calculator, cool. We don't graph very much, so any calculator will do. If you're a cell phone user, this calculator is not that good, but this one does everything we need for geometry. Okay? Alright. So, we found Clever. We found Blackboard. We found coursework. We found that this didn't work. We found that this didn't work. Okay? But we located the link. We've logged in, and we're ready to do a problem. Okay? Now, from talking to many of you, this is the first time you've ever been in online math, Excel math. Okay? All right. So, whenever you're confused, you can always click Ask My Instructor. It tells me the problem you're on. You can tell me, help me, Monty. I can make you a quick video, or we can meet up and you can send it to me. Okay? So, very user-friendly. Now, let's do a couple problems so that you can get the flavor of how this works. Special right triangles. What the heck, Monty? View an example. Okay? Oh, there's what Monty was showing us. The idea of a 45-45-90. We know that a 45-45-90 is nothing more than a square cut in half. Well, a square, this side is equal to this side, is equal to this side, is equal to this side. It is 17, 17, S, S. Okay, now, we studied this thing called Pythagoras a while back, right? Both legs are congruent. What? If you take any leg and you're going to go to the hypotenuse, we multiply by radical 2. So the answer here is going to be 17 radical 2. We multiply by the square root of 2. Let's see what happens. Hypotenuse. We got the leg is 17. 17 radical 2. You just multiply by the square root of 2. The answer is 17 square roots of 2. Okay, now, just type in 17. Where do I find square root? You're going to see all these icons down here, okay, to help us type math. Typing math is not an enjoyable task. We want to click the square root, and we want to put a 2 in here. Boom. What? What? Oh, I was doing the practice problem. Whoops. Did you see I got it wrong? That's okay. 14. Boom. Excellent. You can always do a similar. Okay? Alright. So now let's talk through this. 45, 45, 90. It's a square. Well, square, all the sides are the same. So we just put 15 here. Boom. Okay? Now it won't let me check my answer. Now let's say you make a mistake and you actually type in 15 times the square root. Whoa, where did that come from? 15 times square roots of 2, and we get this 21.213. Okay? Unfortunately, this says type exact answers. This is not an exact answer. What if you actually use the Pythagorean theorem? 15 squared plus 15 squared equals y squared. So, we have the square root of 15 squared plus 15 squared. 21, Monty, it's 21.213. 21.213. Check it. It doesn't like it because it wanted 15 square root 2. Check it. What? Oh, sorry. You see how many mistakes I'm making? This is why I made the video. I want you to enjoy math. I can see when you've logged in, I can see when you've participated, and I can see the answers you type in, so I know that you understand. 21.213 is not wrong, but this wanted perfect. Okay? I want us to enjoy some math. 65. Monty said just multiply by radical 2. 65 square root 2, enter. Okay? All right. Now, I saw you log in. I saw you participate. It's neat if you hit the save button. Okay? All right. Now, each week I'm going to make video tutorials. I always like to do the first problem and the last problem because we're all at different skill levels. Please, everybody, smile. We're only going to work on this trigonometry for 2 weeks, and then we literally have fun because we move on to shapes and formulas and probability and cards and throwing dice. First 2 weeks is going to be kind of messy because now you see the sign of A. Huh? SOHCAHTOA. Okay? So again, we're going to watch some videos. We're going to view an example. Oh, SOHCAHTOA. It's just sine is the opposite over the hypotenuse. 16 over. So now I'm just going to close. Sine of A, opposite over. So it's just 28/53. Done. Monty, you typed it wrong. Okay. So 20, 28. 28 over 53. Boom. Okay. Enjoy it. All I'm looking for this week is that we can log in, that we can participate, that we can find this practice, and then we'll make some videos. We'll talk a little bit because this gets a lot more fun after this trigonometry piece. Then we get into circles and we just roll. Okay? Most students love this stuff. Remember, I know that this year we combined all the students into geometry. So we've got students from middle school math, we've got students from Algebra 1, and we're all mixed up. So we all have different skill levels. Okay? Enjoy ourselves. Those of you that want an A, you can get an A. Those of you that just log in and try, we're going to pass. All right, so we've been going for 18 minutes. I don't want these videos to be that long. I wanted to make sure everybody saw the glitches. Okay? And our glitches are easy bridge is broken. You've got to use this link with your email address. And we're going to have a great time. Happy Pi Day.